far away from it all, never meaning to hurry. That's how the moon must feel. From up there our worries must seem very small. Maybe that is why he wears a smile. I'm sure he knows that there is more to learn. Wish I could be him for a while. I know how the moon's feel, looking down from the heavens, smiling at the silly things we put ourselves through. Missing magic and I'm seeing wonder. That's how the moon must feel. That's how the